How to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Again, at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on help. Now select report a problem. Now tap on report problem without checking. Now tap on don't include and continue. Now write broadcast option not showing. Please help me fix the problem. Now tap on send. After some time, Instagram support team will contact you regarding the issue. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question and want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.